Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator of Bear Bull Traders and I would like to do a recap for you today. Sorry it's been a little bit since I've done a recap. I've been crazy busy. We've had lots of webinars going on at BBT, lots of stuff going in. We've had really a kind of an interesting, more volatile season for the market, so we've just been like super busy with a lot of stuff that's been going on, so sorry for that, but I wanted to come back in. I'm going to start hitting some daily recaps a little bit more often, so that I can kind of get back to everyone here in YouTube land. So before we get on to my recap today, if you don't mind, go ahead and throw me a thumbs up, like the channel, subscribe, ring that bell. You know how it goes, and we'll get all into that. So on to the trades. So as you can see right now, I'm actually in a trade on Roblox. It's so far so good, really having a really great drop on this one. Shout out to @Norm. If you guys don't see Norm on the pre-market show, you should get by and see that. The guy knows the news, he knows what's going on. He called out Roblox going on to a short sellers list, which triggered some algos apparently and put a little pressure on it in the market. I went ahead and bought that, or sold that short, if you will, as we made a new 1 minute low here, and you can see, let me switch over to a 1 minute here on my chart. You can see as we made a new 1 minute low, I went short using R3 Camarilla pivot for my short. Really nice drop, over 2 to 1 on my partial, and then started taking some profit. Pulled back to R1, held it nicely. Had a nice seller on my level 2 sitting at 61.75, kind of giving me a little bit of resistance to trade against, so I went ahead and shorted there. Got a partial at pre-market low, and now I'm going to see if we hold this and break down and continue on this sell, or if we just chop here, find value, and we're done. So I also had a really nice trade on Ford today. I actually just got out the rest of that position here, and then of course it squeezed against me. That was very nice of it, but got a really nice break here. Went long using this daily level here. Really sweet pop, partials there. And then I got a really nice trade on Facebook. Facebook earnings today sold off heavy on the news. I went long, got great partials, did a couple of ads, and then I tried one more ad here, but this thing is done. Looks like it's going to go down, so I'm all out on it. So and now I'm just holding on to Roblox to see how we're going to go. I want to segue out before I close this recap and just talk about how important it is to play Catalyst and to play good news. There's so many tickers out there. How do you pick which one? Do you have a giant list that you just go through looking through certain criteria? If you're a chart trader or a pattern trader, that's probably going to work really well for you. If you're a momentum trader or like a volume trader, then that's not going to work as well. And the reason why is, for you to be effective, you really need stocks that have catalysts that move well and that get good distance to them. So and Roblox being perfect, not on our list at all today, but once it came in with the volume, once the news came in on it, it instantly became a stock in play and gave a great opportunity while the rest of the market was chopping around a little bit, gave a great opportunity for a multi-point sell. Right? So I hope everybody enjoyed my recap today. I hope you all have a great one. Throw some comments in there for me. Any questions you guys have, maybe some different things you'd like to cover in my recaps. I really like tailoring these to y'all. So if you don't respond and you don't comment with me, I just do recaps because I really don't know what you want. So if there's something specific you'd like to see, throw it in the comments. I'll do it for you. I hope you all have a great day, and as always, keep it green, y'all. Thanks.